I'm about to tell you a pretty cool strategy that's not well known. If it works as well for you as it has for others, it can make a huge difference in your auto repair shop success. The best part is it won't mean loads of extra work for you or spending loads of money on business coaching. Here's something else you need to know. There's one big mistake that can completely wreck your chances of really making it in the auto repair business. It's something you absolutely need to avoid. Even some of the top dogs in the industry are guilty of making this mistake, and it's a real dream crusher. Don't let this mistake be the reason your auto repair doesn't grow and provide you a much higher income that makes your family and friends proud. Hey there, it's Ron Ipach. But years ago, most folks just called me Captain Car Count because almost 3 decades ago, I began in this business by helping auto repair shop owners increase their car count. My unique style of marketing worked so well that for lots of shops, I was able to double their car counts within just a few months. But you know what? I wasn't always some expert in auto repair and small business consultation. No, sir. Actually, this whole journey started when I was working with these shop owners and realized something odd. Even though they had more customers than they could handle, their bank accounts weren't reflecting that. They were putting in longer hours, hiring more techs, but their profits were still slipping away. It was like they were stuck in this cycle of getting more customers but not making more money. So what the heck was going on here? That's when it hit me. They didn't need just more car count. They needed to understand their business operations better. And they definitely needed to learn how to increase their profit margins on each sale. So I made a promise to myself. I was going to get down into the nitty-gritty of their business stats, figure out what the heck was going on, and help them run a more successful shop. And that's exactly what I did. During this process, I stumbled upon something that was a game changer. It's a different tactic that might even seem a little offbeat or weird at first glance, but it actually works for most people who give it a shot. Guess what happened next? I helped those shop owners reduce their car count by 1/3, and believe it or not, their profits tripled, quadrupled, and some even more with each job. And for the first time, they were moving closer to their dream of running a successful auto repair shop. First off, I need you to be aware of a really important detail. It's this hidden problem that's really messing with your business. This thing, it's really sneaky. It's messing up your chances of making a profit. Even though the auto repair industry in the U.S. rakes in about $70 billion each year, the average shop only profits about 5 to 10% of that money. This problem is what I like to call business band-aids. These are basically the quick fixes that only tackle the surface level problems in your business instead of the real deeper issues. Like, say you own a shop and you're constantly losing technicians. Instead of asking why they're leaving, maybe because of poor management or job satisfaction, you keep hiring new ones. That's what happens when you use business band-aids. These quick fixes can fool business owners into believing in some silver bullet that just doesn't exist. Like thinking all you need to do is great work and the word will spread like wildfire and your shop will be filled with customers all the time. That's just not true. While doing great work is vitally important, it's not enough to keep your shop filled in this highly competitive industry. You need a solid marketing strategy. Just being good at the technical stuff won't cut it. You need to be good at running the business and leading your team too. And a lot of the time, these business band-aids are behind so many wrong ideas that shop owners have. Like my friend Joe. Joe, like many other shop owners, thought that the more customers he gets and the more technicians he hires, the more money he'd make. So he spent a ton on ads to get new customers and hired a couple more technicians. But all he got was chaos, tired employees, and complaints about the service quality. His profits hardly went up at all. But Joe isn't the problem here. The real villain is the business band-aids approach. Let's dive into a game-changing strategy, one that can transform your struggling auto repair business into a thriving, highly profitable business, or develop your understanding of the numbers and the effect that they have on your take-home income, and even connect you with an empowered community of fellow shop owners for networking and support. The key to this lies in something I call the leaky bucket method, and it's the most efficient way I know to run a successful auto repair shop, increase profitability, and improve marketing and sales. The leaky bucket method is a revolutionary approach tailored to fit your unique business. It identifies and seals the biggest holes in your business first, helping you make way more money and setting up your shop for success down the road. Sure, those usual business band-aids may seem easy, but they're only temporary fixes. They only scratch the surface of what's really going on and won't last. But here's where the leaky bucket method shines. You dive deep to fix what truly matters, rebuilding the foundation that your business is built on. This not only increases your profitability quickly, but also guarantees you a thriving, successful business in the long run. Sure, you'll find other ways out there apart from the leaky bucket method to boost your auto repair business. They may not be as simple, but hey, they might work. You know, you could always hire a consultant, but honestly, those guys can cost a pretty penny, right? And here's the kicker. You're not even guaranteed their advice will work. Imagine being the owner of an auto repair shop. You take their advice and boom, things go south. Suddenly, what seemed like a smart move turns into a costly mistake. Not exactly the outcome you're hoping for when you're trying to push your business ahead, right? Or maybe you're considering attending a few of those weekend seminars or conferences. There's no denying that these events can be informative, but they can also eat up your budget and your time, and there's still no guarantee that you'll come away with actionable plans or strategies for your business. As a busy entrepreneur, do you really have the time to spend days and days away from your business, hoping to learn something that you can apply when you get back? Maybe you're thinking about buying a bunch of business books and courses. Again, these are not necessarily bad ideas, but they can be expensive and time-consuming, and even then, it's all theory. Your time is better spent on practical, hands-on solutions that can drive your shop forward. And all that free advice on the internet can be tempting too, but those one-size-fits-all strategies will just end up wasting your time and money. They often promise much, but deliver little, leaving you frustrated and back at square one. That's hardly the best route to successful business ownership, right? But I believe there's a much better alternative, less expensive, much faster, and easy to apply, and one that has the leaky bucket method built right in so you can take advantage of it fast. Introducing the Maverick Shop Owners Coaching and Mentoring Program. Get ready for a program built just for auto repair shop owners just like you, led by experts Ron Ipach, that's me, and Gerry Frank. Together, we bring 58 years of hands-on experience straight to you, covering everything from boosting sales to solving employee problems to cranking up your personal income. What's more, unlike other programs out there that take on hundreds or even thousands of shop owners all at once, we work with no more than 60 shops at a time. That means you're not just a number. You get the focused, one-on-one help your business deserves. Even better, since you're seeing this now, that means we do have a few spots available right now. Now let's talk about some of the powerful features you'll get with the Maverick program. Deep dive analysis. First, we'll do a deep dive of your current business to identify which areas need improvement and which areas have the biggest growth potential for you. So instead of spending countless hours trying to figure out what's not clicking, you'll get a clear roadmap to success, saving you time and frustration. Customized plan of action. Based on what we find, we'll create a plan specifically designed to focus on your business's weak points and boost profits. Rather than making random attempts to enhance business performance, you'll get a carefully thought out plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. One-on-one access to a coach. This is uninterrupted access to your coach for personalized guidance and support. Instead of feeling lost and overwhelmed in your business journey, you get the privilege of having a seasoned shop owner with more than 30 years of shop ownership in your corner to help you navigate the challenges. And much more. This isn't just another coaching program. This is your step-by-step roadmap to transforming your auto repair shop into a profitable and successful business. Experience the Maverick program and watch your business kick ass. Hey, don't miss this part. The Maverick Shop Owners program takes the heavy lifting off your shoulders. Think about it. Too much on your plate is what makes most business owners hit a wall. It's that breaking point where everything starts to crumble. Your energy dips, stress skyrockets, and before you know it, the dream you've built starts to fade. Tired of being buried under tasks? Imagine turning your auto repair shop into a well-oiled money-making machine. That's right, with support designed just for you, it's totally possible. And here's the kicker. Our coaches aren't just any coaches. They've consistently boosted shop sales and profits by up to 50% and more. Think about it. When you decide to give our Maverick program a try, you'll see the dream team you've always wanted fall into place. Skilled, dedicated employees instead of a disorganized and unmotivated crew. So instead of struggling to make a profit, you can run a successful auto repair shop with ease. All you have to do is sign up for a free chat below and get started on your success journey. And that's all there is to it. Instead of doubting whether it'll work, why not give our program a shot? Picture this. You roll into your shop at 10:30 in the morning. No need to be the first one in and last one out anymore. Your team is kicking ass, your customers are happy, and your shop's killing it. This is what the Maverick Shop Owners program does. It's your secret weapon, not just a quick fix. It sets you up for financial freedom and the lifestyle you've dreamed of. And getting started? It's a breeze. Ready to find out more? As I said before, since you're seeing this, we do have 1 or 2 spots available, and if you'd like to see if you're a good fit for us to work together, let's have a quick chat. Hit that button below and schedule a time that works best for you. Talk soon.